OChat, a conversational agent for your business, an easy-to-deploy sales and service agent. Introduce an intelligent virtual assistant that strengthens your customer service and boosts your sales growth by achieving a new level of automation and speed with OChat. Increase your customer satisfaction rate with the live chatbot that recognizes the intent of the conversation with the inbuilt AI programming and provides the required information across various channels online. Bringing a new level to your marketing and customer satisfaction efforts with the tool that will increase the upselling and cross-selling of your brand. With the best AI chatbot software, OChat, be assured of having genuine conversations and completing a transaction without the supervision of a human, increasing the product output of your brand. Upgrade your customer's experience, boost the lead conversions, and decrease customer support costs with the AI-powered tool that is developed towards changing the image of the informal economy. OChat AI-based chatbot uses natural language understanding to solve complex queries in real time in a hassle-free manner. OChat is an automated tool that offers a unified platform that uses a broad range of methodologies to create an interactive interface to address customer queries. As a result, it is easy to deploy, and the predefined industry models act as the primary conversational agents with your customers. OChat's self-learning algorithm identifies the intent of the conversation and responds accordingly. If the machine fails to understand the intent, it immediately escalates the issue to a human agent. One of its unique features is that the tool recognizes a customer from the stored data, recollects previous conversations, and diagnoses the situation. To boot, the AI-based chatbot recognizes the emotion of a customer and makes quick escalations while addressing matters that require immediate attention. The controversial chatbot is easy to integrate with other business partners, and it can be effortlessly trained for various categories of response systems. It uses the data to resolve issues, communicate with customers, and simplify the conversation path by improving customer engagement. This is Robert Tantullo, your fellow legacy leader, proud Onpassive founder.